Alright guys, we have the final review video on Revell's 1968 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. What's going on guys, welcome back. So we had the final of the Chevy Chevelle by Revell. Right off the bat, a good kit. I'm actually quite surprised how this came together. The very first kit what the new owner of Revell has brought out, because we all know what happened to Revell. They got bought out with the new owner and all this stuff happening, and people didn't know to come back. But this kit was actually the very first kit the new owner has released for us, and a new tooling also, and a very cool kit. So first off, let's go to the downs on this kit, and then we'll do the positives. So there's only two downs I can think of this kit. The first down is going to have to be the back bumper. As I showed you before, the back bumper is way too big. It sticks out quite a bit. So, and if you have to compare that to actual like real life scale, that back bumper must be, if I had to guess, it'll probably stick out probably half a foot out of the car. So that's not good luck. So you have a standard bumper down and get the proper size. And one more down is this thing has two-piece mirrors, which is okay, but it's not the best design because they break and they are easy to break off. And I prefer the one-piece mirrors, but other than that, the kit is wonderful. No issues. The kit went together like a breeze, and I gotta give Revell credit for this kit because it's their new tooling and it's the very first kit that the new owner has brought out for us. So the color on the body is three different colors: black, misty turquoise, and silver. Black, or the black is a different brand of paint I use, and then the misty turquoise, which is this part, and then the silver on top is all by Splash Paints. 2K cleared it and it looks amazing. Bare metal foil went on pretty good, no issues with that, so that's very cool. The grill, the whole front assembly of this kit went together so well. I'm so glad how that went together. Black washed. Actually, I just put all black paint in the grill like they are. So, but the whole outside of this car is wonderful. Revell knocked it out of the park. The red lines, the wheels, you do have two different options of wheels. I mean, this thing looks incredible. I did go with different exhaust tips because I wasn't too big a fan of the kit ones, so I just got aluminum tips on there and mix up that. The interior is black and medium gray. The medium gray is by Tamiya, and so is the black. The black is a semi-gloss black by Tamiya. Very cool. I love that combo. It looks very good with this color scheme on the body. So the bottom side of the chassis, I got my exhaust staining, which I think I did a little bit too much staining before I mentioned, and that's okay because I was just getting back to it, because I did exhaust staining a long time ago, like a long time ago. But I do want to get back to it and liven up my exhaust just a tad bit more. So I got a little bit too carried away on that, but that's okay. But other than that, it's very cool. The underside, like I said, all that went together like a breeze. The drive shaft went in the engine, no problem. The axle dropped right in. The front suspension, no problem. All that is very, no fitment issues. Same with the interior, no issues at all. The engine is a wonderful engine, as you see there, but I did some wiring, my hoses and stuff. I just lined up the engine a little bit. I put little brake lines in there on the brake boost, whatever you want to call that. So that looks very cool. I lined up the engine a little bit because I'm sure you can detail the heck out of this engine. I didn't go too crazy, but I just wanted to put some extra hoses in there and wires. So this engine is a wonderful engine, no problem with that, no issues, very lovely engine. And The engine is red, but it is orange also. From the factory, it is orange. And then some of you guys, like Ron Stewart, commented, people do rebuild these Chevy engines and they do paint them red. So that's where I probably saw the red engine. It was probably already rebuilt. So, and another reason why I did red is because I didn't have orange paint. So I'm gonna get something ordered here soon. But overall, the engine, the whole engine bay is wonderful. The radiator hoses fit perfect, bottom and top, because usually the bottom one has really issues, doesn't want to line up and stuff, but the bottom one lines up perfect, the top one lines up perfect. The whole thing in there fits wonderful. Filter, decals on the filter, I mean, this engine bay looks very cool. Revell knocked that out of the park also. There's even some warning stickers on here and stuff, so I always love when model companies do that, warning stickers, engine bay and stuff, because that's how they are in real life. You have warning stickers all over the place in the engine bay. But overall, amazing kit. I have no complaints at all, just other than the back bumper and then the two-piece mirrors. But other than that, a wonderful kit by Revell. The glass fit in perfect. There's no issues on there. Everything. The interior squeezed right in. You do have to do some. Let me mention this. This is actually one of these this kind of type of kit. If you are gonna have to do a lot of pushing and shoving on the body to put the chassis in, there is a lot of squeezing and pulling on the body, but it's gonna take some finesse to get in there. But it does click in. The chassis does actually snap right in with the part where the radiator actually snaps into the front, and you just glue in a little piece on there. But yes, you are going to have to do some, pushing and shoving on the body to get the interior and chassis to go in there. But it goes in wonderfully. Like I said, the front end really just snaps right in. Put a little drop of glue, and you are all set. But other than that, guys, a wonderful kit. Like I said, pick one up yourself. Revell actually just released a 1969 Chevy Chevelle, a year younger than this one, so I might have to pick that one up and build that one up and put it next to this one. So incredible. I just love the two-tone on it. I actually never done a paint job like this before. I've seen a lot of cars have them. The top part is one color and this other half is a different color. So I always see those cars, and I've never done a model in that color or this way before. So something different to me, and it actually looks very cool. I'm actually really digging it, especially the colors I chose for it. Very, very cool. But other than that, I have no words. This kit is beautiful. A beautiful car, a beautiful kit. Pick one up yourself and build it. But other than that, that's going to be it for now. And I might break out another kit before the 48-hour build. I might do my intro video into that probably this weekend, a week before it actually starts, but we'll see. And hopefully I might break out another kit, who knows. But other than that, guys, until next time, thank you so much for your support on my channel. I appreciate it. Getting loads more subscribers. I notice you guys are going amazing on that. So if you are new to my channel, I would love to welcome you, and I hope you are enjoying the content I'm putting out for you guys. And like I said, guys, good kit. But other than that, guys, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.